Owning a home means having a place that is solely your own and provides the space, features, and location you and your loved ones need. But what happens when your needs change? If this hits home for you, it may be time to make a move. According to the latest Home Buyer and Sellers Generational Trends report from the National Association of Realtors, NAR, the average person has lived in their current house for 10 years. If you've been in your home for a while, think about how much in your life has changed since you moved in. Even if you thought it would be your forever home when you first bought it, it doesn't have to be. Work with a realtor like me to explore all your options in today's market before settling for your current home. That's actually what a lot of homeowners are doing right now. A recent survey from the Realtor.com finds that of people who are considering selling in 2023, 1 in 3 are thinking about moving because their home no longer meets their needs and they have gained considerable equity in the past 3 years. And according to the same report from NAR, that's consistent with this year's top reasons for selling, which include wanting to move closer to friends and family, moving due to retirement, home is too large or too small, change in a family situation, job relocation. If things in your life have changed, it may be time to make a move. And there's still good news. It's still a great time to sell. Here's why. We're in a strong seller's market because of low inventory. That means homes are listed at market value and in good condition are getting attention from buyers and selling quickly. Lean on your local real estate advisor for the best advice on getting your house ready to sell. Your equity can power your next move. There's a good chance you have a significant amount of equity right now thanks to the record levels of price appreciation in the recent years. When you sell, you can use that equity to help afford your new home. In fact, NAR's report from above shows 38% of buyers used the money from their sale of their previous home to cover the down payment on their next one. Work with a local realtor like me to learn how much equity you have and what you can do with it in today's housing. Bottom line, if your home no longer meets your needs, consider selling it so you can find your dream home. Let's connect so you can learn more and I can give you options. Give me a call or a text at 843-222-7800 and click the subscribe button below and make sure to hit the bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Take care.